So I'm up. It's Saturday. It's 10:25. Like I'm indecisive as if I should do one load of laundry right now, or if I should go to the mall and fix my phone first because I have a dentist appointment at 1:20. So to get my teeth clean, or should I just sit down? I don't know why I'm up. If I knew, I'm just so annoyed. Like I'm bored. I can watch some YouTube videos. Like my day doesn't kick off until 1. So at 1, get my teeth clean. I need a breather. I'm gonna get my teeth clean, and then after that, I'm going to go to Queens Center Mall and get my phone fixed. My case came in, so that's the timing of it all is perfect. After that, I want to come home and do the laundry because I have to do my laundry like desperately. Clean up my room, I guess. I ain't got nothing else to do. I was supposed to go out with Jamil. I'll see. I'll hit her up. It's Saturday. Like, oh, whoa. I don't want to get too crazy because I got to be up early. Kind of early tomorrow because, remember, I got to film a podcast episode. So, what? Something wrong with me. And yeah, lot of shit going on right now, baby. I'm gonna tell y'all a lot of stuff. I said at the end of the year, like, or the top of the new year, either or. Probably the top of the new year, that'll be better. I don't know, I'll think about it. I'm gonna tell my tell, because there's a lot of shit going on. It's scary. It's scary, it's crazy, it's like, wow. I'm interested to see what's in store for me. Like, y'all watch these vlogs? I'm watching them too, child. If you get what I'm saying, like, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is next. So yeah, that's that. I will see you guys in a few. Well, today, so I found parking mad quick. So good thing I didn't leave like super early because I usually leave mad early to go to the dentist because sometimes I have problems finding parking. But I mean, today is Saturday, so maybe that's why. I don't know. I should read the signs. One day I'll find parking, one day I won't. It's just like it's up in the air at this point. But yeah, I'm in Brooklyn. If y'all don't know, I reside in Queens. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, but my dentist is in Brooklyn. I speak about it in my episode Health is Wealth of the Britt Says Podcast of why I chose my dentist office. So it's kind of far from my house, but after this, I'm actually going to stop by my brother's place or whatever. So I'm gonna go over there and then maybe grab something to eat. After I grab something to eat, then I'm gonna go to the Apple store. I have to go to the Apple store. I have to get my phone fixed. Like, I have to get my phone fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make sure I get that done. If I get anything done, I was just like, oh, let me go stop by because my dentist's office is actually mad close to my brother's house. So I was like, let me stop by, let me be a good sibling. And yeah, so I'm just in my car chilling per usual, you know how I do. And first of all, I need a whole entire car wash. Well, not a car, like I need to vacuum it. But yeah, I'm getting my teeth clean. I hope it don't take long. I get my teeth clean every 6 months, but I just can't like remember how things work, you know? I don't like when people be running. Well, you know how when people just be running out the blue, what are you running about? Somebody chasing you? I don't get it. Anyway, I'll be back. I will come back to you when I'm actually inside the office. See you guys. Interview. Okay, so I just came from the dentist. I didn't vlog while I was in there. Look, I got my little dentist kit. They was giving me toothbrush and stuff, and I get to clean it. I didn't vlog while I was in there because what I was going to do while I was sitting waiting, I was going to vlog. But as soon as I got there, they was like, Brittany Lingard? I was like, wait, what? So they called me quick. And I'm not like one of those vloggers who will like vlog they dentist and they orthodontist and every moment, because I'm not at that comfort level yet. Like, y'all gotta remember, I'm at what, vlog number 6 maybe? People be at like vlog 1000 vlogging everybody. They be vlogging they cashier, vlogging freaking any old body. I'm not at that comfort level yet where I feel comfortable being like, yeah, I vlog. Can I vlog you real quick? Like, no. Friends and family, please. First of all, when I did my vlog, when I went out for my friend's birthday, I was like, I'm about to vlog. They was like, okay. So like with friends and family, I don't really care. But like strangers, I'm not at that comfort level yet. Like, I feel like if I lived in like LA or something, I would do it, because I feel like people from LA, like, yeah, people always coming in here vlogging. Like, they probably accustomed to a camera always popping out. So, yeah. Next stop is my brother's house. And, well, I'm getting in the car. It's hot. It's nice out today. So, yeah. Look, I got toothpaste everywhere, or whatever that stuff they use. It's hot. Sorry, guys. It's hot as hell. Girl, help me, please. I need to eat. I don't know if my brother and I'm gonna feed me. I feel like I should go eat before I go there. Like, I'm so indecisive. It's mad food over here, though. My dentist is in Park Slope. Park Slope is close to downtown Brooklyn. Downtown Brooklyn has a freaking, what's that? Galore of food. So, yeah. I'm thinking Shake Shack. All right. Ready to hit the road. Back in business. Just finished from the Apple store. I forgot which way I parked. Level G. Is it D or G? I can't remember. I think it's level D. But I just finished in the Queens Center Mall. Hopefully my stuff ain't delete my last clips or whatever. Phone fixed. About to go out to eat with my cousin. Me and Jamil had to reschedule due to just life. So I'm happy my phone is fixed. While I was sitting down with no phone, I bought me some stuff from Bed Bath & Body Works. I bought me like a vent for my phone. I mean, not for my phone, for my car, so that it smelled good in there. And then I bought me some chapstick. And one more thing. What was the third thing? Oh, hand sanitizer. So that's it. I have to go back to my car, drive to Manhattan real quick. And yeah. Oh, that's what I forgot to say. I went to my brother's house. And I didn't even film when I went. I'm slipping, y'all. I feel like a chicken with her head cut off. That's why. While I was sitting though, I meant to tell y'all, I made an idea for my own promo for Britt Says, because time fly, y'all. Before you know it, it's gonna be September, and I don't want to be trying to figure stuff out at the last hour. You know what I mean? So hopefully I could get my idea in place, because last season that idea was mad easy. I just wanted to sit down and talk. But this idea is easy too, but it's a little more intricate. Just a little bit more intricate. So, ooh, I should have went to the bathroom. Fuck. All right, let me go to the bathroom. way. See no restrooms? Let me go. I'm gonna go upstairs and use the bathroom upstairs. Because if I use the bathroom on this floor, I'm gonna have to walk all the way down the hall. And the parking lot, I think the parking lot is actually on, no it's not, I'm lying. So yeah, I'm excited. Per usual, I'm always freaking excited about something. That's good though, because to be honest with you, I'm more anxiety driven than excited. So when I get excited, I get happy. Because it's like, it's not rare, but it's rare. You know, on this, the amount of times I'm excited and the amount of times I'm stressed out is a big ratio. So, yeah, let me go use the bathroom, hurry up, so that I could get to Manhattan at an appropriate time for dinner. Din. We going to this Asian spot called Gayukaku. Child, I know, sound crazy, but it's good. See you in a few. Alright, I'm back quicker than I thought I would be back because so they had a reservation at 7. The reservation is they changed it to 9:30, so I'm gonna go home and change because I really don't like my outfit. Like, I wore this to do regular day stuff, fix my phone, go get my teeth cleaned, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Anyway, I was thinking, like, ever since I've been vlogging, I always used to complain, like, I don't have a life, like, nobody ever wants to hang out with me. And, like, I did, like, what, 4 or 5 vlogs, and I've been doing stuff every week. So I feel like this is a good realization moment. Like, and then even when I don't do stuff, like, I'll be in the house doing things. But you know how, like, you be so, what's the word I'm trying to think of? Like, you so caught up in you that you have a tendency to kind of forget how, I don't know, like, you so caught up in you have a tendency to kind of forget that you do stuff. You do go out, you do hang out with your friends and family, you do things, like, but on the days where you feel like, well, not even the days, those little moments, those little hours, those little minutes when you're doing nothing, you really feel like you don't do nothing, but you actually be doing stuff all the freaking time. Does that make sense? Because, like, I'm like, yo, you really be out here doing mad stuff, and it don't even be dumb stuff. Like, I feel like I need a break already. Nah, I like it. I'm happy. I promise you, if I wasn't vlogging, I would have did all the stuff today, and by the time I get home, I'd be like, I need to get my shit together. Mind you, I done did 8 million things today. I swear, yo. So that's the good thing about vlogging. Like, you really realize, oh, I must miss this light channel. You really realize how, you know, you try. Like, you actually do things. Like, you're not really out here just sleeping and you do stuff. Is it consuming 24 hours of your day? No, but that's fine. Like, some moments you're gonna need to sit down. Of course, you need to get your 8 hours of sleep. It's mad stuff, you know. So yeah, dressy boobs. I was saying I might do a 1 load of laundry because I don't got no freaking clothes. I'm wearing the shit in the closet you don't never want to wear. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah. That was only the one when it's coming out because I was just thinking about my day. Like, I be up here, can't breathe because I be doing too much. Child, listen. Alright, but once again, I'll be back. She'll be back. I'm at Gayukaku with my cousins. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Ah! Nothing special. We just trying to go out tonight and get something to eat. I'm gonna take the food in a... So, I didn't get to properly close out this vlog. I don't know what happened when I was filming. But whatever the case may be, I will see you guys in another week.